Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit more about sedimentary rocks. We're going to go over one very special type of sedimentary rock, and then I'm going to get you guys to guess at what the composition of one is, just like we did last time. All right, so the one we're going to talk about is this black sedimentary rock. And a lot of people don't consider this a sedimentary rock, but for our purposes, we do. And this rock is called coal, which is, of course, a very well-known and a very important sedimentary rock because it is a primary source of energy. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but do you have any idea how much coal, do you have any idea what percent of our electricity in the United States comes from burning coal?
91.
No.
I just know it's a lot.
Well, no, it's a lot, and that's a great answer. It's about 70. It used to be a lot higher, and if you go to China, it's about 90 right now.
That's what I was thinking. It's China.
Yeah, you're in the wrong country. Right, so is that a good thing? Coal is super abundant. We can find it everywhere. It's pretty inexpensive to get up out of the ground. And we've got great infrastructure for burning it to make electricity.
Yes, but it
So should we continue to?
No.
Why not?
It causes smog.
Causes smog,
That can hurt the environment and people.
hurt the environment, people. So if you guys have seen any videos from Beijing, China recently, since you said you're from China, what you'll see is that an entire ban has been put on any type of outdoor cooking. Automobiles are limited almost entirely from entering the capital city. And people are walking around in surgical masks. And the reason is because the city is totally enveloped in smog, to the point that you can barely see through it. So even though we have this sedimentary rock that provides an energy source, we as a leading country and we as an evolving people should be keeping in mind the consequences for using this. And it is a very drastic, very huge amount of environmental damage that comes from it. Let me take a look at this quick question.
Alternative energy sources.
Yeah.
Instead of fossil
So
fuels.
one of the primary concerns is acid rain. And acid rain is a direct result of burning coal. The reason is because when we burn coal, coal emits sulfur into the atmosphere. When that sulfur mixes with water, it creates hydrogen sulfide, which is acid rain. So if we have all of these bridges made of concrete, and we have all of these statues made of marble, which is calcite as well, which we'll get to in a minute, as we burn coal and create acid rain, we're basically creating hydrochloric acid. What happens when we take hydrochloric acid and put it on calcite? It fizzes, it dissolves. What is concrete primarily made of? Calcite. So by burning coal, we are dumping hydrochloric acid on all of the concrete structures like buildings and bridges in the United States and really over the world. So we're accelerating the deterioration of our infrastructure by continuously burning this. That doesn't mention at all the health problems that come with it. Okay, so I think I'm going to let that video go at that, and we're going to move on to this in the next one.